Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set video settings on the ESPN application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that, click on this more button down below in the right side corner of the screen. Tap on this settings button in the upper right corner of the screen, then tap on video settings, which is the fourth option. And here you can find a bunch of options that you can enable, such as autoplay settings, autoplay using Wi-Fi and data, Wi-Fi only or never autoplay videos. So tap on the relevant one that you would like to select. As you scroll down, you can see download settings, so download using Wi-Fi only and data. You can also set whether you would like to have HD or SD quality videos, and you can also set region settings. So basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.